Alrighty guys, check this truck out. We just wrapped it up. Me and the team here been working on this thing for the past 3 days. Finally, it is done. Just had my detailer come out here, do a nice little wash for the customer before he picks it up. First things first, he actually just came in here for the cab lights, right? Because we did one of his other trucks, and he saw that we did a little bit of everything else, so he wanted us to wrap some chrome pieces, and I'm gonna go show you guys those chrome pieces that we wrapped. So we wrapped the chrome insert that's in here, just what shows. We do not remove it. Removing these parts is real delicate, so we just wrapped where it shows, but it looks really good. Looks really good actually. We wrapped the toe hinges here. Is just for looks. I told him if he does any towing, those things are going to get damaged. If you are pulling or whatever, take them off, get them powder coated, would be the best thing to do. We wrapped these pieces as well. We did have a little clearance issue, so we did trim down a little bit of this part here so that the wheel's not rubbing. That really doesn't matter, but that plastic part was really annoying. We switched out the fender flares to the gloss black one. We did add the Recon white LED. Let me see if they light up real quick. There they are. So that looks really good. We actually wrapped this chrome piece here all the way across. We wrapped both sides. We debadged it. We took off the emblems on each door. We wrapped all the chrome on the window trim. It's all wrapped, gloss black. Looks really good. The mirrors got wrapped as well. Okay. What else? The fender flares, like I mentioned. Emblems in the back came off. Excuse me. All the window trim looks really good, guys. This is what we do here at the shop. So there was a lot of work put into this brand new truck. The last thing we did was the sound system. Oh, I'm sorry. The handles. We put these covers on because you can't really wrap these, but we did wrap that little insert there. These are the handles, really good little trims. These fit really good, guys. And then these are all the emblems. We're not putting those back on. These are those part numbers on the handles if you guys would like. There you go. These are the Go Recon side markers. Those are the OEM ones that we took off and put on the new ones. The original fender flares are in the back of the truck. And then we added the sound. If you're gonna be adding sound, you better put one of these on. Don't use those cheap high to lows. Use the best audio control. We added that 1200 watt amp from Kicker with the sub box. Look how beautiful that sits in there, guys. Look at that thing. Wow, it looks really good. You don't see any of the wiring. None of my wiring shows or is sticking out. I took out the back seat to get all my amps mounted back there. I'll show you guys that in a previous video, just so you guys can see how clean and nice it is on the install. We did mount the bass knob right up front. But yeah, before I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little sound test. I don't want to get copyright or nothing, because I want you guys to see this video. So you got the bass knob here, right? This controls the bass level on the amp, and then this other one's for your epicenter to listen to music that doesn't have a whole lot of bass. You can go ahead and regulate that. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit. You guys be able to hear it.